If you were a rich person, number 1 is a rich person. Find the number 17. Only one person can find this number. If both your answers are correct, double tap the screen and I'll find out. Third question, now click on your share and click on the other one, then tell me which app shows there. I think there's Snapchat. Exam number 4. If you are intelligent, answer this question. Now, long press your comment button and send an emoji. I'll gas you. Which emoji did you send? I think you sent me this images. If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments. Fun time, follow me, my profile picture start dancing. Final exam, and the last one, you can't answer that. Only intelligent people will answer this in the comments. Tell me the numbers in this picture. Impossible, you can't answer this. If your answer is correct, follow me and I know. Leave your answer in the comments.